So friends, let's prepare this lovely Goan Shevyo. Now I am using Goan boiled rice or ukideche sheet, but you can use parboiled rice, you can use normal rice. I've taken 1 cup of this rice and I'm going to put it into a bowl, and then I'm going to wash it really well under water till I get nice clear water. And then I'm going to soak this in 3 cups of water overnight, or at least for 8 to 9 hours. That's very important. If you want to get the Shevyo right, you have to soak it for that much time. Now let's prepare this lovely coconut and Goan Jaggery or Jaggery mixture. So here I've taken 3/4 cup of Goan Jaggery, which is also palm jaggery. It's a darkish color. If you don't have that, you can use regular gourd or jaggery or gourd. Now I've taken about 7 to 8 cardamoms or elaichis. I'm just going to peel them. Don't throw away the peel. You can add it to your morning tea when you're boiling your tea. It adds a lovely flavor. So I'm going to just pound this cardamom in my mortar and pestle to get a very fine powder. We require about 1 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder for this recipe. So you can also use the ready-made powder, or you can make your own powder. I like making my own powder because the flavor and the aroma is just amazing. So I'm going to add this to the grated gourd or jaggery, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. The fresher the coconut, the better it tastes. And now mix everything so well that there's no white of the coconut to be seen at all. It should be a completely dark brown mixture like this. So you can set this aside. Now after waiting patiently for 8 to 9 hours or overnight, I'm going to now remove all the water from this rice, and I'm going to transfer it to a mixer jar. I'm going to add just 1/4 cup of water because we want a very thick paste. So I'm going to grind this to a thick paste, but the paste should not be dry. It should be nice and soft to touch and very, very smooth. So now I'm just greased a plate with some oil. You can also put ghee, and I'm just going to put all of this mixture into that plate. This plate should be able to fit into your steamer. So now I'm going to place this in the steamer and steam it only for 10 to 12 minutes, not too much, because we want a soft dough. We don't want to overcook it. And now when it's done, while it is hot itself, I'm going to put it into my Shevyo maker. Now I'm just using this small one that I have at home, which I use to make chaklis and shev, etc. If you have the traditional one, then use that. That is the best. And then just make these lovely noodles, rice noodles, and they're ready to eat because it's already steamed. So just put them in a circular manner like this. You can also drizzle some nice clarified butter or ghee on top of it and have it while it's steaming hot with this lovely Goan Jaggery or Jaggery and coconut mixture. So please try out this recipe. It's really, really delicious. It's so yummy and just, just out of this world. It's amazing. As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.